How sad, they think I'm gonna feed them. Baby birds! I can't believe I'm actually getting to see them. I'm sad. Feed me, feed me. Oop, they like that noise, don't they? Hello, number 1, 2, 3, and 4. I think they think I'm their mother. Are you my mother? Said the baby bird. My favorite book. No, I am a tractor. I am not your mother. Are you my mother? Said the baby bird. I think I hear Mama behind me on the fence. What a sacrifice, Wanda Diane, I'm doing for you. Gonna get dive bombed and gonna get my eyeballs pecked out. Ooh, feisty little fella. Give me some food, damn it! Food, I want a worm! Okay, enough of my baby bird.